From the makers of the original Magic Bullet comes the all-new NutriBullet PRO 900 Series Superfood Nutrition Extractor. With the NutriBullet PRO 900 Series, you can turn ordinary food into superfood. Just load your ingredients into the cup, put on the turbo extractor blade, pop it on the power base, and watch how the NutriBullet blasts ordinary food into superfoods in an instant. Give it a quick rinse, and you're ready to go again in seconds. The secret of the NutriBullet PRO 900 series is its powerful 900-watt motor combined with bullet-exclusive cyclonic action that forces everything into the turbo extractor blades, turning at an incredible 25,000 RPM to break down and pulverize the stems, seeds, and skins where most of the essential nutrition lies. Taking ordinary foods and turning them into superfoods. The NutriBullet PRO 900 series comes with the all-new high-impact turbo extractor blade, a colossal 32-ounce pitcher, two 24-ounce cups, and one 18-ounce mug. So everyone can enjoy their own personal NutriBlast. It also comes with a twist-on flip-top to-go lid, so your NutriBlast is ready to go when you are. You also get the NutriBullet Healing Recipes book. This one-of-a-kind wealth of information and simple recipes will put you on the path to health and vitality. With in-depth facts on how the body works and how we can use the power of food and nutrition to improve the overall performance of the body and even how to heal it. The NutriBullet PRO 900 series is built to last and protected by a 1-year warranty.